To access Perplexity AI on WhatsApp, click on the plus sign, click on contacts, and then type in Perplexity AI as a saved contact, and then click on country, choose United States of America, and then paste this number, which is the official number, and save. Okay, so by the time you save it, come over to the search bar on WhatsApp and type Perplexity, which you must have saved, and then you're going to see it say click on it, and then you start prompting it. Okay, so this is what the interface looks like. I already prompted it before, and that's why you can see that was a previous chat between me and the AI. So now for a fresh start, you can just say hello or just ask anything Perplexity to be sure, and then it comes and then it responds to you. Then I also asked it, yes, can you create images? I wanted to know. It says yes, it can create images. That was awesome. It suggested I download their app, but I didn't want to download. I also went ahead to ask, can you create cartoon characters? It said yes, and it created awesome cartoon characters, very eye-catching. Okay. I also asked, can you create an AI avatar of an African American woman? He says yes, that you can create it. And then he went ahead to create this, work of art for me. And then but then if you want to save this image, just go ahead and click on the image and click on save button. You can save it. Okay, I asked, can you create a YouTube script for me? It says yes, amazingly. I was like, wow, okay. And if he asked me if I wanted a longer version of the YouTube script that I just created, I said no. Then I asked, can you also create a realistic AI 3D pixel image of a girl wearing a pink dress? To my greatest surprise, it was able to create it. And one very good thing about this, there is no limitation to what it can create for you. So it was creating so many images for me based on my prompt. As you can see, I have created about 3 images already, and it says yes. I also asked, please can you create YouTube thumbnail for kids channel? Surprisingly, again, it says yes, and it created this beautiful, eye-catching, colorful kids channel thumbnail for me. So if you want to create any image, and if you want to create anything at all, any kind of image, just come to Perplexity AI on WhatsApp and do it. As in very quick, very, very quick. You don't need to stress yourself so much again. And then you can see the amazing images I have created. You create and you save. That's all. And then you can use it anywhere. They are copyright free. So if you've watched to this point, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos on AI.